guys, what's up? It's Veronica and I am back with another video. So today is the day that I go back to college, so I'm gonna be doing a move-in vlog. So if you want to see my sophomore year move-in vlog, then just keep on watching. So basically we're like a few minutes away from the airport right now. I've got all my stuff packed, but not really all my stuff because my mom is taking 4 bags and I'm taking 4 bags, and then she still has to ship me stuff in the mail because it's hard going to school across the country without a car. But yeah, I will update you guys when I'm past security because that is hectic. Alright guys, I am through security, which went really fast actually, but this lady was so rude. I forgot my phone in my pocket and she was like, get out, blah blah blah, and she was like yelling at me and I was like, chill out. Like, I literally pulled out my phone and showed you that it was my phone. Like, give me a second to walk back and go through the thing again. Like, there's no reason to yell at me. But
montage.
what's up? So it's currently like probably 5 p.m. I think I last updated you. You saw the little like airport montage, but my flight landed at 10:30, so it's been a while. I've been hanging out at my friend's house before the dorms opened up for registration, and yeah, I just lofted my bed way too high on accident. So here, my bed's over here. I lofted it way too high. It was down here last semester. Oops, guess I'll have to fix that tomorrow. But yeah, I only have my packages or my luggage that I brought, and then my mom is coming on Monday. Today is Friday the 17th, and she's coming on Monday the 20th with like the other third of my stuff, and then on Wednesday and Thursday the last third of my stuff is being shipped in the mail. So yeah, I won't be fully moved in for like a week, which sucks. But yeah, here's my view. There's the dorm right there. There's the dorm I stayed in last year, and right there is Cross, which is an all-girls dorm. So yeah, I really like the view. I think Centennial is a lot prettier than Founders on the outside, but I don't like the inside as much. So we don't have hooks on the wall like we did in Founders for our like towel, but we do have these bars right here, if you can see that. And we don't have sink shelves on our sink. It's just a wall, and I literally kept all of my stuff on the shelves by the sink. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But and the showers here don't have benches. Like the Founders showers had benches that I could put my clothes on and my towel and stuff. These ones don't have benches. How annoying. So, and it's the same price as Founders, like, okay. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to residential living and see if they're open so I can get like my packages and stuff. And then I'm gonna unpack my comforter and pillows and stuff so I can sleep on my bed tonight. And that's really all I can unpack because I can't unpack any of my clothes because I don't have hangers for my closet. So there I am, LOL. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. So we packed a lot of my clothes in these Ziploc vacuum bags. so it was like super compact. And here's my comforter and my throw pillows. How insane. So I want to see how they puff back up. Moment of truth. Let me. Oh my god. That's crazy. It's going really slow though. I guess I unzip it now. What? Did you see that? It's Monday, 11:30. I just woke up and my mom's here now and she's struggling. I've got this big one and yeah, I literally woke up and I got her text that said I'm on my way 28 minutes after she sent it. Yeah. And then I woke up and said, okay. And she said, so I'm in the parking lot that says blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay, let me get dressed now. So yeah, that's how we're doing. Hey, so last time I actually like updated you was yesterday at like 11:30, and I think you saw like 1 or 2 clips in between there, but you guys already know if you saw my move-in vlog last year or my move-out vlog, then you know that when my mom is here, I really don't vlog because it's just really stressful. So yeah, I will show you guys kind of what it looks like. I don't want to show you the whole thing because I'm gonna do a room tour, but it's definitely not finished. So yeah, like basically what we did when between then and now is we went to the storage locker and we picked a bunch of stuff up out of there, and then we put it all in here. We went to Target and got command hooks, like stuff like that. We went to Walmart and got a bunch of food. So here's my food thing, my food shelves. Very full. Yeah, so basically I'll just show you a little bit of what it looks like. That's it, that's all you get. I don't want to spoil it for my room tour, but yeah, subscribe if you want to see that. Guys, it is Wednesday, August, I don't even know what day it is, August 22nd, and, oh wow, you literally can't see me, it's so dark. I just picked up 4 packages from Residential Living. Like, they all came today. I still have a ton more packages coming though. So I got 2 out of 4 plays for this season. I got them right here. I also got some hangers right here. I also got these, which are cascading hooks. It basically just like goes on your hanger and then you can hang another hanger like that. I got a ton of these because this isn't even all of my clothes and I already don't have room, so we love that. And I also got this big drawer, 3-drawer, it's huge. My mom ordered it and had it delivered to my dorm, thinking it was the one I had last year, and it's not. It's like way bigger, and yeah. So I might keep it there. It's a mess right now, but I might keep it there. I had it under my sink last year, but it doesn't fit under my sink, and it fits perfectly right there. So I might just keep it there, but yeah, I don't have too much left to do. So I think I'm just gonna end the move-in vlog here. Sorry, I was not facing the window again. I think I'm just gonna end the move-in vlog here, and then you guys will just have to stay tuned for my dorm tour to see what the finished thing looks like. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn my post notifications on, and comment down below what grade you are in. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here